Welcome to the tutorial on higher order functions in Kotlin. In this tutorial, we will be discussing the concept of higher order functions and how they can be used to write more concise and readable code. Function accepting other function as input parameters or returning function as return values are called higher order functions. In Kotlin, functions are first-class citizens, which means they can be used just like any other data type, such as int or string. This makes it possible to pass functions as arguments, return functions as results, and even store functions and variables. The runDuration function takes a block of code as an input, which is a function with no arguments and a return type of unit. It uses system.currentTime millis to get the current time in milliseconds, which it uses as the starting point. The block of code is then executed by calling block, and the time taken to run the code is calculated by subtracting the starting time from the current time after the block has finished executing. The result is then returned as a long value, representing the time taken in milliseconds. In this example, we use the runDuration function to measure the time it takes to run a block of code. The block of code is passed as an argument to the runDuration function, which then executes the block and returns the time taken as a result. The result is then stored in the duration variable and printed to the console. The use of higher order functions can lead to more concise and readable code by encapsulating complex functionality and making it reusable and composable. Higher order functions are an important concept in functional programming and are supported in Kotlin. They can be used to write more concise and readable code, and the runDuration function is a great example of how they can be used in practice. Thank you for watching this tutorial on higher order functions in Kotlin. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave a comment below.